I'm on the Minchmoor in the south of Scotland, which is a very ancient road, and I've just been to visit the cheese well. I'm now walking down about 400 metres or so down to what's called the Point of Resolution, which is a giant artwork, an art installation here way up on the Scottish moors. And this artwork has been here for nearly 20 years now, and it changes over time. Because it's very much set in a natural place and it's made of natural stuff. It changes and it evolves over years, and it's intended to evolve over time, because it's a permanent thing, and hopefully many people will come here for many years into the future and see how it changes. Now we can begin to see the artwork here. In the heather on the hillside, in this area here, you can see shapes. Begin to see shapes cut into the undergrowth. As we move down the road, as we walk down this way, or indeed if you were to walk up the other way, you may not spot it initially, but there is a little plaque by the road which draws your attention, and you can see the shapes beginning to make a little bit of sense. They're becoming more obvious. Now it's windy. It's kind of conceptual. It's not a picture of anything, but the idea is, as you're walking, as you're moving past the artwork, it begins to form a clearer pattern. You can begin to make out what it is, and as you get to what's called the Point of Resolution here, all of the shapes turn into circles. So they're not circles, but virtually, as you're looking from this place, they turn into circles. These huge 6 ellipses. Can you make them out? So 1, 2, 3, 4 up there as well. I think it's quite clever. There's one over there. It's difficult to see that one at the moment. So as I said, the artwork changes over the years. It becomes different. And there's the name of the artist, Poulsen.